In this video, I'm going to show you how to start investing with just $100. If you want to start investing your first $100, first you need to open an investment account with a brokerage firm like Robinhood. You should begin by investing in a low cost index ETFs. ETFs are baskets of stocks and they are lowest cost to invest in the stock market. ETFs track index funds and S&P 500. Out of that 100, invest $20 in VTI, which is an Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF at the current price of $196.70. You would just get a fractional share. Fractional share allows you to own a share of a company's stock because it's too expensive and you can't afford to buy a whole share of a stock. Fractional share is a great way to diversify your portfolio across multiple stocks and ETFs without having to invest a lot of money. And when the stock goes up by 10%, you benefit too. Next, invest another $20 into VOO, which is a Vanguard S&P 500 ETF at the price of $360.50 per share. In order to diversify your portfolio, you need to buy $20 of cryptocurrency like Shiba Inu. Also, invest in your favorite companies that you spent a lot of money buying their electronics because you believe in how strong the product they develop. So if you own iPhone, Apple computer, or iPad, then you should invest in Apple stock for $20 and keep adding more money to it to grow over time. And as an investor of Apple, you will earn a dividend quarterly every single time. So in other words, you are getting paid to invest in Apple. The next thing you need to do, you can buy one share of Snapchat at $11.30 because you might use it every day for entertainment and social life. Having a readily available cash is so important in these days. You can open a high yield savings account, emergency fund that will give you a higher return than most banks will give you, and no minimum balance is required to really start. And you can deposit $8.70 to grow it and keep adding more money to grow it over time so you can have something to fall back on it later. It's very important to diversify your portfolio because you want to have so many different type of stocks and cryptocurrency as well, because what happens if you only invest in one particular stock, let's say Microsoft for example, and then you spend all your money in Microsoft only, and then over time, let's say Microsoft company end up not doing well and people end up selling all Microsoft stocks, and then that stocks collapse, then you lose most of your money within that stock, right? It will take a long time for that stock to recover. So that's why it's important that you don't just only buy one particular stock, but buy many, especially on the ETFs and index funds. And while you're focusing on also buying stocks, it's good to also invest in cryptocurrency as well, right? And you want to invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, in addition to Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, so that one day if the stocks don't do well, then you have your cryptocurrency to rely on it, and vice versa. Because if you only invest in cryptocurrencies and then if they collapse too, then you lose all your money. So therefore, you need to pick some good, well stocks that have a track record of doing good, so that if the cryptocurrency is not doing well, then your stocks could also do good to uplift your investment. So that way, one day you end up doing great. By the way, this is not a financial advice, okay? So please take your time and do your own research and speak to your financial advisor if these steps and strategies are right for you to invest in the stock market, and then use your $100. So do your own diligence first. If you find value in this video, please take the time to like and subscribe to this channel. And by you smashing the like button, it will greatly help me to, have YouTube push this video for the algorithm to show this video to more people, for them to discover my content. So please take the time to like and subscribe.